Have you ever wondered why people act the way they do? Why do we sometimes make decisions that seem irrational? This is where behavioral psychology comes in. It's a fascinating field that explores the hidden forces behind our choices. By understanding these forces, we can gain valuable insights into ourselves and others. Behavioral psychology challenges the traditional economic view that humans are always rational actors. Instead, it recognizes that our emotions, biases, and cognitive shortcuts play a significant role in our decision-making process. This understanding has profound implications for various fields, including economics, marketing, and public policy. By shedding light on our inherent biases and irrational tendencies, behavioral psychology empowers us to make more informed choices. It allows us to design environments that nudge us towards desirable outcomes, both individually and collectively. Let's dive into the work of two pioneers in this field, Daniel Kahneman and Richard Thaler. Daniel Kahneman, a Nobel laureate, revolutionized our understanding of decision-making with his prospect theory. This theory highlights how we perceive potential gains and losses.
One key concept is loss aversion. We feel the pain of a loss more than the pleasure of a gain.
This shapes our risk tolerance and decision-making. Richard Thaler, another Nobel laureate in economics, introduced nudge theory. This theory explores how subtle changes in our environment can influence our choices without restricting our freedom of choice. By understanding our cognitive biases, we can design interventions that encourage positive behaviors.
Thaler emphasizes choice architecture, which refers to how options are presented to decision-makers. Like a building's architecture influences movement, choice architecture guides decisions. For example, placing healthy food at eye level can nudge healthier choices.
Another key concept is defaults. Defaults are preset options that take effect if no active choice is made. They are powerful nudges because people often stick with the default option.
By carefully designing defaults, policymakers and organizations can encourage beneficial behaviors without coercion.
Two systems, one mind, thinking fast and slow. Kahneman further elaborated on our decision-making processes by introducing the concept of two thinking systems, System 1 and System 2. System 1 is fast, intuitive, and emotional. It relies on heuristics, mental shortcuts, that allow us to make quick decisions based on limited information. System 2, on the other hand, is slower, more deliberate, and analytical. It requires conscious effort and is activated when we need to solve complex problems or make important decisions. However, System 2 is also lazier and often endorses System 1's intuitive judgments. Understanding these two systems is crucial because it explains why we sometimes make irrational choices. When faced with complex situations or time pressure, we tend to rely on System 1, which is prone to biases and errors. By recognizing the interplay between these systems, we can learn to engage System 2 when necessary and make more thoughtful decisions. The power of understanding, behavioral psychology in action. The theories of Kahneman and Thaler have had a profound impact on various fields. In economics, they have challenged traditional assumptions about rational choice and led to the development of behavioral economics. This field incorporates psychological insights into economic models, leading to more accurate predictions of human behavior. In marketing, understanding behavioral psychology helps businesses design more effective advertising campaigns and influence consumer behavior. By leveraging principles like loss aversion and framing effects, marketers can craft messages that resonate with consumers' emotions and motivations. Public policy has also benefited from the insights of behavioral psychology. Governments worldwide are using nudges to address societal challenges, from improving health outcomes to increasing retirement savings. By understanding how people make decisions, policymakers can design interventions that are both effective and respectful of individual autonomy. Conclusion: predictably irrational, remarkably human. Behavioral psychology reveals that we are not always the rational decision-makers we think we are. Our choices are influenced by a complex interplay of emotions, biases, and cognitive shortcuts. While this may seem disheartening at first, it's actually a testament to our humanity. By accepting our imperfections and understanding the forces that shape our behavior, we can make more informed choices and create a better world for ourselves and future generations. Understanding prospect theory helps us navigate financial risks and make sound investments. Nudge theory empowers us to design environments that encourage positive behaviors without restricting freedom of choice. By recognizing the interplay between our fast, intuitive thinking and our slow, analytical thinking, we can learn to make more thoughtful decisions. As we continue to explore the hidden forces behind our choices, we gain a deeper understanding of what it means to be human, predictably irrational, and remarkably complex.